What's up, everybody? Old Buck here. Down here at the cabin. They're going to be dog hunting this morning, and I'm jacked up. I love a dog drive. Got the old trusty triple barrel. I love this gun. It's unique. I've already killed one deer with it on a dog drive. Hopefully we can add one to it. But community hunting club, they hunt all around here. Their land butts up to mine. So I own this property. So, and I let them come down here and turn loose on the land, even when we ain't here. So it's a good relationship. Everybody ought to try it. If you don't like dog hunting, you should try it. A lot of you knock it. Man, you're hating something that you would probably love, but it is what it is. So my buddy Tommy, he's gonna turn loose in here. They always jump right in here on this swamp. So I'm very optimistic we might see something. Probably ain't gonna shoot no doe. Probably gonna shoot a buck only. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. And before we get into the hunt, I got a few people I want to thank.
JC's Outdoors, all your hunting and fishing needs. Live bait, guns, archery and apparel, serving breakfast and lunch. Flight Deck Restaurant, voted best family restaurant in Lexington. Great food, homemade desserts with a perfect blend of southern and Greek flavor. Huge arcade to entertain the kids. Warren's Landscaping Services, everyday lawn care and maintenance, lighting, irrigation systems and water features. Proudly serving Lexington and Gilbert for over 24 years. Rough Country Off-Road. Let them customize your side-by-side. Anything from lifts, lights, and plenty more accessories. Price's Country Store. All your feed and seed needs, from dogs to horses and many animals in between. Fence supplies, livestock, accessories, and gardening. Car Craps Tire. All things tires, passenger, commercial, and farm machinery. They also do brakes and oil changes. J&J Specialties. Specializes in pole buildings, horse barns, shops, barn dominiums, and metal roofing.
All right, that's them. They're well appreciated. They support me. I love them. And so now I'm waiting on the dog hunters to get out here and get turned loose. And the standards should be getting put out as we speak. I just popped up down here at the cabin, so I didn't even go to the club because I was running late. So it might be another 30 minutes before we hear some action. All right, y'all. Tommy just got here. Heard him park, but I just heard a shot not too far off there. And I know that's probably one of the standards. That's another reason, man, you got to be quiet and chilling out whenever the dog man is running around, because them deer know something's up. That'll get them stirring. I've killed a good many deer waiting for the dogs to be turned loose. But that's probably why I shouldn't be blabbing right now. Knowing my luck, there was one right ahead of my way and now he hears me talking. But anyway, Tommy should be dropping the dogs here in a minute, and hopefully we'll hear some good running. Here's the doggies. Got 2 packs running right now, both off in there. Dang dog scared me. But anyway, the deer love running this branch right here. This is a hot spot. This is where Dad killed that 10-point. Just jumped. Gotta be kidding me. The deer, nice shot. That deer literally ran, sounds like right by my cabin. Dang. Last year I killed 2 does. No, the year before. I was standing beside the cabin. Killed 2 in front of the dogs. Maybe it'll circle back. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bam, baby. Damn, don't celebrate too quick. See that smoke? Bang! Now we're gonna celebrate. Here we come. Heck yeah, man. Nice buck. Come on, fellas. There you go. Come get your prize. Do it, Brummy. If you don't know what the name is, you just call him Brummy. Oh man, yeah. It's a nice buck. Look at that son of a gun there. That's nicer than nice. Whew. You can see the chair right there. That deer ain't 30 yards. I was sitting in my chair. God, I'm excited. Look there. Bang! I don't know if it was me that shot his points, but I don't even care. Hey, buddy. Old triple barrel. Golly, that's what it's all about. Whew. Dad should have been here. Come on, buddy. Hey, yeah. I heard you a mile away. like that, don't you? You like that? Tell you right now, shot and dropped deer. I seen the deer come, and I heard somebody shoot twice, and I could tell they you know, they wasn't far away. They wasn't like right on top of them or nothing, but I could tell that deer was. I heard the dogs off in there behind them. Heard them shoot. I knew the deer had to be coming this way because the shot was in between me and the dogs. It sounded like, and I seen the deer coming. I could tell it was a big body deer, but he come running out through here, and I remember to close my eyes. I used to shoot with both eyes open, so many hunters do, but I'm left out dominant. That's why I was missing these deer. My record's a lot better now, but God, I'm excited. So the deer come running right down through here. I had, you know, I was waiting for him. He was coming straight to me, and he come out. He was in between me and that tree right there. He couldn't see me, and he come out right there, and I decked him right in the chest. He hit the ground like a ton of bricks, and I thought he was done. And you can see over here, I'm like, yeah. I turn around, and he's about to hit another gear. So, but hell yeah. Nice one, buddy. Pretty buck. Look at that pretty red buck patch. God, I love smelling them things. I got a long drag. You can see where I originally shot him. He was right here is where I originally shot him, and that's where he slammed on the brakes to look at me, and by that time it was over with. Nice buck. They hear them other dogs running, and they go into them. I love it. Again, man, all y'all anti-dog hunters, a lot of you hate it just to hate it. Just give it a chance. Then if you don't like it, then that's fine. But I'm gonna go back down here and sit down, quiet down. Cause them dogs there ain't far away. All right, y'all, got another pat running right in here. That way, I usually stand probably 300 yards down in there is usually where I stand. But Dad wasn't here. This is where he killed the 10 point at, and I come where Dad always stands, on the other end of our property. And you see what happened. So, good decision there. But them dogs is inching my way. I'm hoping that deer's gonna run up the branch, and they do that a lot. There they come, y'all. They run right by the cabin. Right through there. Maybe you'll curve around. Dang it. Deer was no peace from that in my cabin. You can sit right there beside my cabin and kill them. I don't kill too much. Damn it. Get him, Brummy. Go get him. There's a small buck. That sucker right there. He was running about 90 miles an hour. I know I missed him. That's all right though, because I got that right there. Tell y'all right now, I'm exhausted. I done drove this buck probably 50, 60 yards, and good Lord, steer's heavy. I say he's probably around 185, 90 pounds. He's got a heck of a body. I mean, he's something. He getting him across the creek. Good Lord. Tommy said he's gonna get me some help in here. I mean, I got a long ways. And it's uphill, if anything. It's uphill. But it was an awesome hunt this morning. Golly, the dogs ran good. I seen a couple of the other deer that ran through. I think they were does. Couldn't really tell. They ran right by the cabin twice. If I'd had somebody standing there by the cabin, they'd had fun right there at the cabin. And they'd had a bathroom. I could have used that too. But anyway, Tommy should be here soon, and hopefully he's got some help, because, man, I don't know if we can pull this sucker out of here, especially being uphill. All right, y'all, as you can see, I made it back to the house, got the deer cleaned in the cooler. It was a great morning. Killed a really nice 8-point, probably 85 pounds. Just a nice buck. Had to drag that sucker probably 200 yards. I was exhausted. I missed a smaller buck, seen 2 other does in front of 2 different packs. The deer ran through our property. I mean, they were running through there big time. Best thing I ever done was buying property in front of them in the middle of a dog hunting club, because, you know, that's the second big buck we've killed on the property. Daddy killed a 10-point 2 years ago with Sawyer in there, but we've killed a good many other deer in there as well. But I appreciate everybody tuning in. Hope you enjoy it. And hopefully I can get back down there on another dog drive before the season ends. And I only got one more tag for South Carolina for a buck. But I'll be hunting in Pennsylvania this coming weekend, so hopefully I can get a big one up there. But anyway, y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all next time.